Good morning, guys. We are in Kashmir right now. The weather is okay. It's a little bit cold, but I like it. It's very good. You can breathe fresh air. Wow, beautiful. Today we're gonna see some artisans, and I am with my friend here. I don't know where is he. Hello!
Kashmir! Well, Amjad, he wants to tell you something about the animals that he's killing and that is forbidden. There is one type of animal.
I did not claim it. He's making up himself.
Don't believe what he's saying. So. Oh, we can eat?
Yesterday, what did you have for dessert?
For dessert, it was a meat dessert. Ah, killed by Amjad? Okay. Ah, that's nice. Sun is coming out. And the first stop, hello. First stop, we go buy some clothes. Because it's a little bit, yeah, during the evening it's a little bit cold.
Come on, man, you don't know anything.
They extract wool from the hair of that sheep.
Okay, here we are. We stopped to buy some sweets for the artisan. New Mughal Darbar. Some local sweets.
Are those sweets here? It's meat.
Here, even the sweet is meat here. Oh, that's nice. Chicken burger, 90 rupees. Ah, even the price is good.
Mixed in boxes or it's only one? And same for most of the artisans. You, it's just starting to become like this, right? And you know, like I would say, like in the 40 artisans, maybe 25 they are thinking this mindset. Hello! There's a cat.
Ah.
Ei näkkoinen, ei kähtään pormota. Se ei tolku siportut.
Protection. Hi, how are you doing? All good. Good to see you.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Nice to meet you.
How are you
Thank
doing?
you very much. Thank you.
How are you doing? All good? Some small sweets for both of you, of course. You know this, it's not far.
Hello.
How are you doing, man? All good? Good to see you. A lot of work there. Yeah, we'll sit.
Take a seat.
Yeah, of course. I know this is my place.
Thank you.
Last time I was there, same.
Thank you very much.
Just said.
Still very quiet here.
Yeah.
Last time it was sunny, I remember the things were open.
Oh, that's
To
beautiful.
show you some stuff.
He's doing it with his hand.
Everything by hand.
But he's doing like even
He's
more
so
precise than this.
precise.
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you see? This you didn't see, I think. This is miniature painting
It
to
has been
label.
carved.
Hmm?
It has been carved out.
Yeah. It's very, very fine. So you have also painted this like
This one, he did.
Master artisan.
Ah, the master.
Thousands
And it's
there's-
just sketching fast.
and the person who's doing this has done with no contrast.
No contrast.
Which
This one is not finished. Not finished. In process.
it is under process.
Yeah, on process, yes.
İşi jungle maçı heran.
Hello, host.
Host.
This is.
That's your masterwork.
So this piece is to put a book, so you can read. And down you put the book, right?
It is yet to be. It is not finished product yet. Only the painting job is done.
Yeah.
Now the mirror is placed over here, and other things are to be placed on this.
Ah, that's nice.
Have a cup of coffee. It's not coffee. It's
tea.
tea.
But I will have a cup of coffee for you. It's okay.
Here for the mar.
Thank you, Shukriya.
Priya Nawazish.
Shukriya very much.
Shukriya very much. Breakfast.
Wow, thank you very
Big
much.
breakfast. And you see for you, this art, this wood. You can also do bags like this. This will also sell, you know? Wow. That's good. Like this. Like for a whole piece. These are the birds that they have with the small feathers at the top.
Ah, local bird.
Yeah. Only the desert was a bit disturbing. Amjad is not taking good care of us. You should come. He's like always coming late. Yeah, always coming late. Yeah, man. We waited 1 hour and 30 minutes in the airport. I was almost crying.
Okay, now we're gonna see how he's working and the technique he's using.
These are finished.
Those are finished works.
I see No is doing the fine one now.
Oh, this is. Ah, yeah.
No, he's outlining too. This they will move. This is a sketch for this art. So they will put gold. This is a sketch. They will put gold wire, and this will be more in volume, not paint.
So let's take one picture.
You know for what company I'm working?
CIA?
No, it starts with a M and it's finished by a D.
Mossad.
No. Okay, this video gonna be striked.
No, please.
Thank you.
You just open it. It has a lock.
Ah. So let's see. The view over there.
Better than cigarette, huh?
Oh. I didn't know we were in Switzerland.
We just do next step.
Now we are going.
We go like this.
You can put it
And I will,
And it was
I will
very
give you
nice.
the dimension for this.
Thank you very much.
and we just try new things.
Now we're gonna see another artisan. So
Nothing forgotten.
this video we're gonna stop it here and see you in one day. Peace.